These wrist and ankle weights are a game changer for everyday movement. I've been using weighted ankles. I don't really use them on my wrist, but I've been using them for such a long time, and most recently upgraded to these stylish ones. And I love that. So you can open them up like that. They're very flexible and really stretchy, so you can have them on your wrist if you choose to. I love the silicone design. It's modern, it's minimal, it's easy to maintain, clean. It just really making it pair well with any of your workout outfits. So I absolutely love them, and they do come in different weights. These are 2 pounds. They're always the ones that I've used time and time again. And again, I just love how sleek and soft that they are. They don't slide, they stay in place. And again, like no rubbing or anything on fabrics like some of the other ones I've tried. So I love how easy they are to clean. You can use them whether you're walking, just around the house, cooking, even just for some extra weights that I like to do, especially as a busy mom that I may not always, get to do the movements that I had intended to. So I like to wear these around the house. If I'm doing things now, kind of just gave me the idea to wear them on my wrist as I'm cooking, just for that extra weight. And yeah, I love that it also comes in this little bag, so you can just have them in here and throw them in your gym bag, or bring them up to the gym with you, whatever you like, Pilates, yoga, whatever it is that you're doing. And yeah, if you're a busy mom, parent, and you're looking for some ways just to add some resistance, these are absolutely fantastic for that. Again, they're comfortable, they're snug. They're not maybe ideal for like high impact, but completely up to you of how you want to use them. But again, can take some time to adjust if you have like that feeling of them being on your wrist or not. But either way, they do what they're supposed to do. And I love how it just really became part of my everyday movement. So highly recommend these if you are just looking to add any like resistance or any extra weights. I love them. They're not a bulky gym gear, so that's a plus in my books. And I just love how sleek they are. Take a close look.